How to extract zipped files on Windows. First, locate the zip file you want to extract. Then, right-click on it and select Extract All from the context menu. A new window will appear asking where you'd like to save the extracted files. By default, Windows creates a new folder in the same location as the zip file, but you can click Browse if you want to choose a different folder. Once you've selected the destination, click Extract. Windows will unpack all the files, and when it's finished, the extracted folder will open automatically. If you're using Windows 11, you can also right-click the zip file and choose Extract All, or use the Extract All button from the File Explorer toolbar. That's it. You've successfully extracted a zip file on your Windows PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Windows tips, PC tutorials, and easy tech guides.